Today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can transfer Tether from Binance to Metamask. So if you guys do not know what Tether is basically a stable coin whose value is equivalent to the US dollar, which means the value of US dollar go up, the value of Tether goes up. The value of US dollar goes down, the value of Tether goes down. That's basically what stable coin is. And there's a lot of stable coin depending on the currency of the country. So Tether is equivalent to USD. So just keep that in mind, which means US dollar. So I'm going to be transferring it from Binance to Metamask. So for those people who do not know Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange where you guys can buy and sell cryptocurrency. Alright. First step, you want to go to Binance.com, which is the official website of Binance, and log in into your account. Once you're over here and log in into your account, you're going to come to this page. Once you're in this page, you want to go on wallet and click on overview. Once you go on overview, you want to go on the withdraw section because you want to withdraw Tether from Binance into another place. Once you're over here, you want to choose Tether from over here because we are transferring Tether. Once you do that, you want to go to KuCoin. So I have opened KuCoin over here. So basically what I want to do is I want to click on add token. And once I'm over here, I need to search for USDT, which is the short form of Tether. Tether USDT over here. After I choose on it, I'm going to click on add token. And after I add it over here, I can click on Tether USDT. Once I click on it, it's going to take me to Tether USDT receiving page. So wait for some time. It takes a bit of time to load it. Now once this thing pops up, you want to click on where it says receive. Once you click on receive, you want to, copy this little wallet address over here. After you copy the wallet address, basically you want to paste the wallet address over here. Pasting it, you want to choose which network you want to use to transfer. As I told you, Ethereum network is expensive, so I'm going to use BSC. After choosing that, I'm going to click on yes, I'm sure, and then I'm going to enter the amount of Tether I want to transfer to my Metamask, and I want to transfer $48 worth of it to my Metamask and click on withdraw. After doing that, it's going to be transferred to my Metamask wallet. So that's basically how you guys can do it. So hope you guys were able to understand the video.